Hey folks, this is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. Check it out. I love making money online. I'm sure you do as well. Now, what you're looking at is emojis. So check this out. Imagine basically pressing these emojis here, okay? I'm gonna show you. Look, if you just press the emoji, they will pay you money, right? $10, $20 every time that you just press these emojis here. And I'm gonna show you proof you can make a ton of money online from your bedroom, right? You don't have to work a job. All you have to do is press emojis. Now, I get it. Some of you are skeptical. So let me show you something here. Look, let me show you. Look, you see this right here? So this is proof right here that I have $1,600 here by pressing emojis. So that's all I did. And what I'm going to show you in this video real quickly here is how you can do this from scratch. This is worldwide, all over the planet here. All I ask for you to do is this. Hit the like button. Like the sponsor for this video is smash the like button. Show me some love because the video is free. I'm going to entertain you and I'm going to educate you and I'm going to show you how simple it is to make money online. Comment below. I can. Okay? I can do this. That's all you have to do is just press emojis. Emojis, press it. Emoji, emoji, emoji. Is that cool? All right, I'm going to go very slow in this video. Guys, please smash the like button. Show me some love. You can always sub to the channel. I do videos every single day on the channel. And I never wear a suit, so I don't know what I'm doing here. But listen, I'm going to show you how simple it is. Check it out. Step number one. Check it out. Go to this website right now. Okay? Now listen. The average person never make money online because of one thing. Let me tell you why. Because see, when you watch a video like this to the very end, you miss something. The average person will miss something, and when you try it yourself, you won't make money. If you want to make money from this stuff right here that I'm about to show you here, and we're talking about up to $1,600, all you need to do is watch it twice. Okay? Comment those words below. You gotta watch it twice because you're gonna miss something. I promise you, 90% of people, when they watch videos on how to make money online from Wesley Virgin or anybody else, you think you got it, but you don't. You always miss something. I've been doing it a long time, so it's easy for me, all right? So listen, go to flaticon.com. All we're gonna do is create emojis. That's it. You're just gonna create an emoji, and they're gonna pay you money just to create a stupid freaking emoji. Is that cool? You go to flaticon.com. Scroll down. Are you with me, folks? I'm gonna move slow here. Okay. Click on where it says patterns generator here. Okay. Smash the like button if you're with me. And all you need to do is press emoji. You see this? Press it. See what I'm doing? Press. The more you press, the more you get paid. And I'm gonna show you how this is going to equal money. So obviously, the more emojis that you press. Like, who can't do this? Like, can you imagine doing this from your bedroom, like butt naked, doing nothing? You know, looking at your beautiful view in your beautiful Versace bed here, and you just pressing emojis and making $1,600 every single time. You can make as much money you want. It's up to you. So look at that. That's a pattern. I just created that. You can do that right now. Okay. Now, next step. All you want to do is download it. Hit the download button here. Download the pattern. See how easy that is? Simple, right? That pattern is going to go to your computer, okay? Are you with me so far? That pattern is going to go to your computer because that's what you're going to use to make a bunch of money. And I know it sounds insane, okay? But cell phones were insane when they first invented it. But everybody has a freaking cell phone. So if you listen and pay attention, you'll realize that you can do exactly what I do. Make money on autopilot without having a job, a boss, a manager. Teenagers are doing this right now. Teenagers. Okay. Now listen. The next site where you need to go to is this site. Fiverr.com. Go there now, please. Fiverr.com. Okay. Look at that. Look at that black sister right there. Look at that beautiful black. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Look, So all you do, you go to Fiverr.com, you get a free account. Okay, are you with me? Get a free account on Fiverr.com. All you need to do is go to the search bar here. Follow me here, okay? Type in emoji design. Okay? Now look at this. Oh, I need to sign in. Give me a second. I think I'm signing somewhere else. Hold on. Give me a second, guys. All right. I'm already signed in here. There we go. It's W Virgin. I do this all day, every day, and I get paid money. I'm up like $1,600 per day doing this method right now. But listen, you can make as much money as you want. You just got to put it in work, okay? And what I do is when I want to make money, I go home, I shut the doors, I turn off the music, turn off the TV, I get naked, and I get to work. I just like to be comfortable. I'm not in a cubicle. I'm not working at Jack in the Box, Walmart. Wait, it doesn't make sense because technology and making money online is real. Smash the like button if you can see yourself this year earning 6 to 7 figures per year. Smash the like button. Amen. Comment. Amen. But listen, you must believe in yourself. Okay? Look at that. Emoji design. Okay? Scroll down here. What do you see? Emojis, right? These people, this is crazy, right? These people are getting paid to create emojis. This person right here has made $800. That's 80 reviews, $10 a pop, $800, okay? This person here has made over $500. Emojis, that's it. And the great thing about this, we have a software that's going to do it for you. What do you think these people are doing? Look at this mess here. Look at this guy's already made $15 here, okay? Look at that. Scroll down. Let's see. Look at this guy. He already made almost $100. Look, look at that. Your custom emoji stickers. Listen, people just like you are doing this. The problem with you is you're just not taking action. Like, do it. Now, listen. I get it. You say, okay, Wesley, so you're saying that I'm going to take those emojis that I just downloaded from Flattercon and I'm going to put and create a profile here and post it. But listen, Wes, well, how do I get traffic? How do I get people to buy my stuff? Listen up. Wesley Virgin is about to give you the game. Hey, all I ask you to do is to show me some love in the comments below. Say, Wesley, I love you. I appreciate you that this is for free because I do it for all the people that can't afford my program. I have a program below, a course that would teach anybody, even a freaking third grader, how to make $10,000 every 45 in the next 45 days in the link in the description below. But I understand some of you don't have money. So check it out. This is what you want to do. Don't share this with no one. You see where it says sort and relevance? Click here, best selling. Okay. So when you get ready to create your profile, all you want to do is find the one that has the most popularity here. Okay. Let's do this. Watch this. See all these emojis right here? This person has already made how much money? 36,000, almost $400. This person has made doing exactly what I just showed you on a free site. That's all they're doing. See, you may say, well, why don't everybody know about this? Listen, it's so many opportunities online right now to make money, but the average person is so skeptical, they don't take action. They just think everything is scamming. While guys like me, well, I'm wasting my money on Versace wallpaper in my freaking master bedroom. Does that make sense? Because there's so much money to be made, but you're not making money because, one, you're not watching the video twice so you can understand it and comprehend it. So this is what you do. See this guy right here or this girl right here? Click on her profile and you want to model. Comment the word model below. You want to model every word, image that she has created. It is a reason why she is the #1 person on this emoji design on Fiverr.com. So you want to model everything. You can model the image, model her descriptions, right? That's called copy. Model the packages, standard, premium. Does that make sense? So when you create a profile on Fiverr to make your $1,600 by pressing emojis, then you just model exactly what the top people are already doing. Smash the like button if you got an aha moment. That's what I'm doing. That's how I'm making like $1,600 a day right now. Okay? From Fiverr. Automatically, by the way. Automatically. And like I said, if you want me to teach you how to create a product, and it's so easy. And I'm talking about a digital product, not a laptop, not something physical, digital, and make $10,000 guaranteed in the next 45 days. The link is in my description under this video here. But listen, I will share with you, do this first. How many of you can do this? You can do this. All you need to do is take that design that you created on flaticon.com. We can go back to the site again, right? On this site right here, that's all you do. You create the patterns for free, and then you build the profile on Fiverr by modeling the person that already does well, right? You may be doing $100 to $200 a day, but $200 a day, this person is probably doing $300 a day right now. If you're doing $200 a day, that's $6,000 per month. That's crazy, right? Listen, you can make money online. I want you to believe that right now. But you have to change how you think. You can make money online. Don't listen to people that are telling you it don't work, it's scamming. Don't listen to that pessimism and that negativity, because you'll forever be at your job and you'll be forever not living the life that you deserve to live. Take action. Sub to the chat. Sub to the channel. I love you. Make some money. Let's go. Motivated. Dedicated. Lego.